Alright, let's start with the text icon. Select pen tool and then draw a line like this. Select this path and just make it center visually. And then click here just to make the round more better. And adjust it more to make it really nice. And add one path here and another here. Now let's draw the line like this. And one more line here. Alright, and now let's select this top part and we will make it 2 pixels rounded. And we are done with the text icon. Woohoo! And now we will draw the italic icon. Take the pen tool and draw a line from here to there and one more line here and the last line here. This is very easy and we are done. Now let's draw the bold icon. Select rectangle, draw a rectangle like this, make it a little bit wider. And move it down a little bit and make it stroke and this to center, color to black, stroke value 1.5 pixels and make the join rounded. Duplicate it, make it smaller like this and we'll make the top corner 4 pixels rounded. Also this and this to 1 pixel. Now we will draw the underline icon. Let's draw a rectangle like this. Make it stroke and center and 1.5 pixels stroke value and we will make it rounded. Also these two rounded and make the joint also round. And now let's make the corner radius 5 pixels. And now we will draw the line, the underline. Okay, and we are done. Wow, easy peasy. Thanks a lot everyone for watching. And if you need beautiful icons for your design and development projects, don't forget to check out hugeicons.com. Goodbye.